Yeah, for solving a questions of a segment, ACBM is a segment of a circle such that CM, this CM is the perpendicular bisector of AB, meaning that the CM bisects the AB, telling us that AM is equal to MB. Therefore, if CM is equal to 4 centimeter, so here is 4 centimeter, and AB is equal to 16 centimeter. AB is equal to 16 centimeter. And recall, it has been said that CM is the perpendicular bisectors of AB, telling us that it has been divided into two. That is why it is now equal. So if it is 16, we have 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Now, the question says calculate the radius of the circle which ACBN is a segment. Recall, this segment is a segment of a circle. So let's try to put the radius of the circle here. Let's have something like this. So this is the circle. Can you see? It has formed a circle. So this is a segment from the question. So therefore, now, let's represent here by center. And we are to find radius. Let's put here to be radius. And what is the definition of a radius of a circle? The definition of the radius of a circle is that when a point at the center of the circle, you draw a line touching any part of the circumference, is telling us is a radius. So therefore, from here to here, from this to this area is a radius. If from here to here is a radius, telling us that MO will be R minus 4. So that is R minus 4. So it has now formed a very good right angle triangle. So it has formed a very good right angle triangle. So now, since the fact that we are able to see a right angle triangle, now we are now going to apply the rules of Pythagoras, which let us to know that hypotenuse squared is equal to adjacent squared plus opposite squared, which is 64. Now plus R minus 4 to multiply R minus 4. We have R squared is equal to 64 plus R times R, we have R squared. R times 4, we have minus 4R. We have minus 4R. Minus 4 times minus 4, we have 16. So therefore, let's try to rearrange to have R squared is equal to 64 plus 16 will surely give us 80. Now, we have a minus, this is plus R, now minus 8R. So we now have R squared minus R squared plus 8R is equal to 80. So therefore we have 8R is equal to 80. Our R is equal to 18 over 8. So therefore R is equal to 10 centimeter. So that is the values of the radius. So the radius is 10 centimeter. If you're able to confirm, it means that from distance from the chord to the center, it's just be 10 minus 4, which is 6 centimeter. So all what I'm trying to explain, I'm trying to give you the secret of interpreting the word problems and ability to interpret the maths question. So therefore, the number 2, it said the angle that the chord AB subtends at the centers of the circle. So this is the angle, this is a sector, there is the angle, they are equal. Let's represent by theta and theta. So, as I've said earlier, we are able to consider the triangle. Let's consider the triangle AMO. In triangle AMO, we have, this is R, opposite over hypotenuse, which is sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is R. We give you 8 over 10. So sine theta is equal to 0.8. So theta is equal to arc sine 0.8, which is, so from my calculator, when I'm pressing my calculator, it gives me the sine, it gives us 53.13 degree. So now the angle is 53.13 degree. So therefore, we are now to find the angle subtends. So the angle subtends will be 2 of the theta, which is 2 times 53.13 degree. So which is equal to the angle will give us 106.26 degree. So that is the values of the angle. That is the value of the question 2. That is the answer for question 2, which says that the angle that the chord AB subtends are the centers of the circle. Now we continue. The area of the segment. So this is the segment. The question given the area of this segment. So how can we calculate the area of this segment? In calculating the area of this segment, we are firstly find the area of this sector minus areas of the triangle. So number 3, area of segments. So the area of segment is the area of sector pi r squared minus half base times height. So this is the formula to use. Now, and our theta is 106.26 divided by 360 times pi times 10 squared minus half base. What is our base of this triangle? Our base is 16 times, what is our height? So our height is 10 minus 4, which is equal to 6. We have 6. So therefore we have theta over 360, which is 106.26 pi times 100 divided by 360 minus 8 times 6, which will give you, so this, we multiply 100 by this, we have 106.26 pi over 360 minus 48. So by the time you press your calculator, you have 92.72 minus 48. So the final answer will now give us, the final answer for here will give us 44.72 centimeters square. So this is the value for the areas of the segment. So now don't forget to subscribe to these channels and follow us in our Facebook page. So we give a better explanations of every word problems. So thanks for taking your time to gain a lot from this class.